Hi there. So, the last video is about the multiplication of real numbers. What we're going to discuss in this video is about the division of real numbers. Okay? So, for multiplication, for recap, that is by pairing. But always remember for division, you need to divide the dividend and the divisor. So it should be in pairs also. It means that if there is a dividend that is negative and you divide and the and negative divisor, I'll change it. It should be negative and negative. The dividend is negative and the divisor is negative, it will result to a positive answer. If the dividend is positive and the divisor is positive, it will also result to a positive. If the dividend is negative and the divisor is positive, it will result to a negative. And lastly, if the dividend is positive and the divisor is negative, the answer is in negative. So you need to take note of these rules in terms of division. Okay? So let's have some examples on how will we calculate the real numbers or how will we identify the correct sign and or answer for the division of real numbers. Okay? So for example, the given is negative 6 over negative 2. The answer is 6 divided by 2, that is 3. If we're going to go back to our lesson, negative or to the rules, negative and negative will always result to positive. So it is negative and negative. This one is positive 3. Another one, another example, if it's negative 8 and positive 4. Again, go back to our rule, negative and positive, of course, that is negative. Then 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Okay? Same goes with fractions. Okay? For fractions, if it's negative 1/2 divided by negative 1/2, the answer is, how will we do that? Again, negative 1/2, then reciprocal 2 over 1, that is negative. Okay? So 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 1, that is 2. Negative and negative, that is positive. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the answer is positive 1. That is simply the division of numbers or division of real numbers. Okay, so on my next video, which is identifying or calculating the decimals, fractions, what else? Okay, decimals and fractions using the rules that we identify using the positive and the negative integers or negative or positive fraction or decimals. So I'll just upload the next video for about it. Okay. Thank you.